Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Stockton mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the Google search bar and then search for Stockton mortgage account. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of Stockton Mortgage. Now you can see the login and sign up button in the middle of your screen. So if you don't have an account, click sign up, and if you have an account already in Stockton Mortgage, click login. This will lead you to the login portal where you can see there is a box of username and password. So go ahead and fill them up. Go ahead and write down your Stockton account's username and your Stockton account's password. Then click I agree to the user terms and privacy policy and click login. This way you can successfully log into your Stockton mortgage account. If you want to read about the user terms and privacy policy, click on these links and you can read the do's and don'ts of Stockton mortgage. If you are having any kind of problems about your username or password, these are the two links you want to click because this will help you recover your password or change your username. If you don't have a Stockton mortgage account yet, click register your account and create a Stockton mortgage account for yourself. This was a video on how you can log into your Stockton mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.